What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got for y'all a quick unbagging. It's a recent pickup that I got of a Grail item that I really wanted. Now this item came out in spring summer of 2017, which was just over a year ago, and it's also, there was a hoodie and a t-shirt, and it came in two colors, black and white. It's the CDG box logo tee in black. Now I really want the hoodie too, and I'm gonna hunt it down, and maybe hopefully I don't have to pay like what StockX is asking for, because I got this box logo CDG tee for $260 from round 2 in Manhattan. Now I saw when they had posted it up on their Instagram account, and I ran over there immediately and I liked the picture, and I commented that, you know, as they put it up the Sunday night when the store was already closed, and they said it would be available in store next day when the store opens at 11. And I commented and I said I will be coming for that CDG t-shirt tomorrow morning as soon as the door is open. Now the thing is, I didn't get there as soon as the door was open. I had already had plans of going to round 2 with my cousin to help sell his sneaker collection. Now we tried to sell the entire collection. He had a dead stock collection of Jordans. It was about 40 pairs, and basically they took a third of the pair of the whole entire collection. And yeah, we were hoping to sell the entire collection, but it was a decent enough deal for how long he had them. And while I was there too, I knew I was gonna be there because of going there to sell the sneakers. I also figured I'm gonna pick the t-shirt up one time while I was there. So when I was there, after we had already finished the deal, I went hunting for the t-shirts, and I was looking. The guy said, I asked one of the guys behind the counter. I was like, "Yo, man, where is this? Is the CDG t-shirt still available that was posted last night on the Instagram account?" And he was like, "I don't know, man. Whatever's here, it'll be in the racks. So you're gonna have to go look for it in the racks." So I went in the racks, and you know that store is always busy, and there's so much activity. One person there, another person there, 2 people there, and you're trying to get in so you could see something. And then this guy, he was standing there, he's one of the employees. He comes up to me, he's like, "You looking for something in particular?" And I say, "Yeah, man, I'm looking for the CDG t-shirt that was posted last night." And he was like, "Yo, man, it's probably gone already, to be honest with you, because we've been open for like a couple hours already." And he went in there and he's looking. I'm standing right there and I see him grab the hanger and pull it up and go, "You are a lucky man." And I was like, "Yes, I am." But yeah, I got it for $260. Now this t-shirt is going for $550 on StockX, and in this condition for $260, it's such a great deal. This shirt looked like it has never been washed, and I suspect it hasn't. Now the thing is, it doesn't so much, it don't anymore. It had a smell in there, like you could tell that it had been worn. It had like a little bit of a, see if I could get it up a little closer so you could see some of the details on how clean this thing is. For a pre-owned, now the camera isn't gonna pick it up directly how nice and black it is. The camera might pick up some more details, how the light is hitting it, so it wouldn't even come out as black as it is. But this t-shirt is so clean and so crisp, and for $260 I couldn't leave it. It was $275, they wanted $275, but because of the sneaker deal that we did with them with the sale, he knocked it down for $260 for me. Now the thing is, when I brought this home, I checked it out, tried it on, and I'm so happy with it. I don't know when I'm gonna be wearing this anytime. I don't think I'll be wearing it anytime soon, because the fact that it has been worn already make me feel like, you know, let me just let it sit for a bit. But I have no intentions of selling this, and I'm telling you guys, it's such good. I'm not gonna unfold it again, because what I did last night is I hung it up and I steamed it. I have a steam cleaner, fabric steamer for your clothes, and I steamed it inside and out, and just to freshen it up a little more. And it's nice and fresh, and it's good. And I took this bag. This is the bag that the recent warm-up pants came in. I purchased the warm-up pants, and I did an unboxing for that too, I believe. If I did, I think I did. I'll link it in the description so you can check that out also. But yeah, this is the bag that the warm-up pants came in. It even says on it, warm-up pants. Can't really focus that right now, both hands busy. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it in this bag so I could preserve its quality for as long as I can. And yeah, when I got this t-shirt, man, I was walking around the store with it in my hand, looking at whatever else was there I might be interested in getting, and 3 people came up to me. I was like, where did you get that? And I was like, oh, right over there, right there. And they were like, oh my god, how much is it? And I showed them, and they were like, wow. Like one couple, they came and asked me. The girl was like, where did you get that? And I said, I just picked it up on the rack over there. And the dude, he asked me how much it was, and I showed him the price tag. At the time it said $275, and they both looked at each other like, you know, like it's a good deal. This t-shirt is so clean, and I'm so happy to have this. This is a Grail piece. Today, this week I picked up 2 Grail pieces, one from Round 2 and one from StockX. I already got the package from StockX. I'm so excited about it. It looks really good. It feels good on me. It's a Grail item that I always wanted, and now I have it. I'll do an unboxing for that in the near future, maybe even tomorrow. But yeah, in the meantime, this t-shirt is one of my Grail t-shirts, and might be my #1. Actually, yeah, this is like my #1 Grail t-shirt. And I have a couple more Grails. I do have some t-shirts that I already have and own, and they're not necessarily Grail pieces. Well, one of them sorta is. But there's some other pieces that I like. Now, Supreme has been around for almost 25 years now, so that's actually a long time. It's not like a 100-year-old brand, but 25 years is a lot of time for them to put out a lot of material. And my Grail pieces that I'm putting up now are like pieces that I'm trying to get, and they're not so old. Like, I want to stay away from those older pieces, because those are the pieces that, you know, like I want it to be a little more fresh, unworn. And yeah, you got a better chance of getting pieces that's maybe 2 or 3 years old. Anything older than that, it's just like there's a chance it's worn, might be a little, the fit will be different, and you know, you worry about bootleggers too. So try to get some that you want. So I'm gonna do a quick list of some of the t-shirts that I really like from Supreme over the previous years, most of them more recently. And I pulled all these pictures from StockX, by the way. These are just t-shirts that I like. I didn't put all of the t-shirts that I like because there's so much. I just put the ones that I think I have a chance of getting in the near future. There is one item up there that is a unicorn, but with the streetwear culture and the way things be happening, you never know. I might just land on it one day for a steal. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. Check out my Instagram, go like a pic, follow me, and hang out with me, man. Thanks for hanging out with me. This was just a list of some of the t-shirts I'm loving right now, and I'm gonna try to get them. And this is one that I just picked up today. Yeah.
In quotation, like fuck what he said. I'm better than bad, best of the best, nothing more, nothing less. So try me then with this AK-47 pen. I blaze a block with these drums that I'm drumming, guns that I'm gunning. For the top, bitch, I'm coming. This is a fucking walk race and I'm running. Resident alien, horns of rebellion, king of this jungle, concrete lion, God amongst roaches, and I ain't lying. I'm way above you lames, I'm fucking flying. Resident alien, horns of rebellion, king of this jungle, concrete lion, God amongst roaches, and I ain't lying. I'm way above you lames, I'm fucking flying. Beats are sick, lyrics even sicker. Top cat status, I'm the pick of the litter. But trust this, I ain't going nowhere. I got plans to be the king, crown me right here in the midst of the dirt and the dust of the gutter. Forever, fuck your love, I'll take fair and power. The glitz and the glamour, glory and honor, and all the sex and drugs that I could devour. Like I said from jump, I'm a rebel motherfucker. I'll do what I want, I'm a rebel motherfucker. The audacity of this MC, that is me. Audacity of this MC, that is me. Resident alien, horns of rebellion, king of this jungle,